Do you know you can use the waste of burnt wood as a fertilizer for your plants and get more flowering and fruiting on it? In this video, we will see all the benefits of wood ash fertilizer for your plants, several effective ways to apply it, and much more. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Wood ash is a white to greyish powdery substance left after burning of wood. It has a slightly earthy and woody smell. It's very lightweight and a rich source of potassium and calcium with some trace elements as well. Wood ash is used from ancient times, especially for fruiting trees. We can also use it for our potted plants in several ways and get better results. There are a lot of benefits wood ash provides to our plants. Let's know them shortly. First of all, wood ash fertilizer is a rich source of potassium, which plays a key role in healthy, timely, and better flowering of a plant. It also helps in increasing the fruit size, its taste, and color. Overall, potassium is super useful in case of fruiting and flowering, and wood ash is its organic source. Another benefit of wood ash is its effect on the pH. Using wood ash makes the soil media a little alkaline, which is good for certain plants. Wood ash is also super useful to apply on all kind of vegetables. It helps in better taste development and making vegetable plants resistant of diseases and pests. One key benefit of wood ash is that it contains calcium and some trace elements. Calcium is super important for plants. After NPK elements, it's the most important one. It plays its role in healthy fruiting, disease resistance, root growth, and much more. Its other benefits and some organic sources are described in the description box video. Feel free to check it out. Wood ash is a good source of calcium with other trace elements. These trace elements are important for each stage of growth. Wood ash fertilizer also makes up the soil health. It makes the soil loose, well draining, and soft. Better soil is a key thing for any plant, and using wood ash plays a positive role in this. If you like to watch a free potting soil recipe, it's linked in the description box. Another benefit of wood ash is its pest repellent properties. It also works as a fungicide that is very helpful in case of root rot, powdery mildew, and much more. So do subscribe to our channel. Now let's know how to use wood ash correctly for our plants. The first and the easiest way to use wood ash is to just sprinkle it over the soil. A very thin layer of wood ash powder on the soil surface will keep the pest away and also remove the algae. This is how algae looks like. It appears mostly in rainy seasons. So use wood ash on it and it will go away. The nutrients of wood ash will also get into the soil with time. Another easy and safe way to use wood ash is to mix it with compost and apply it. Wood ash is alkaline while compost is acidic. Mixing them makes a neutral fertilizer, which is very ideal. You can add 1 tablespoon of wood ash in a bowl of compost and use it on your plants. A handful of this compost will be enough for a 10-inch pot. Don't use more than twice a month. Another simple way to use wood ash is to make a tea out of it. Just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of wood ash in a liter of plain water. Mix well or just let it ferment for 1 to 2 days. The resulted liquid can be applied on the soil. You can also buy a good quality wood ash from the description box. 100 ml of this liquid would be enough for a 10-inch pot. Don't use more than this. Apply every 2 weeks. Another easy way to use wood ash is for root rot or while the transplant. You can just dip the roots of your plants in the wood ash powder like this and transplant it like the old way. It's alkaline, so just a little dip is enough. Wood ash powder will cure the infected rotted roots and cease its spreading, and hopefully your plant will recover with the time. Here you can also subscribe to our channel. Following a correct way, you can apply wood ash powder on all kind of plants. Either it's a vegetable plant, a flowering plant, a house plant, a cacti or succulent. It's a little alkaline, so don't use too much. If possible, keep an eye on the pH. Now let me tell you some drawbacks or overuse side effects of wood ash. The first thing is its alkaline nature. In a highly alkaline soil media, the roots became unable to absorb nutrients, resulting in so many problems. And wood ash overuse can make the soil alkaline, so don't use too much. Another thing is the nutrients imbalance. Plant require different nutrients at different stages of growth. If it's young and growing leaves, nitrogen is most important. At the flowering stage, potassium is important. In case of leaf problems, trace elements are most important. So using wood ash only can be a big problem. You can use different fertilizers alternatively. There is a detailed playlist added in the description box on different organic fertilizers and the role of plant nutrients. You can follow that. Using too much of wood ash can also turn the soil salty. That's very unhealthy for plants. So be careful. The safest way to use wood ash is to mix it with compost and then use. This way pH won't be an issue and nutrients will be balanced as well. So it's all about wood ash benefits for plants. Here is a detailed video on biochar. That's also another super useful thing for your soil and plants. Feel free to check it out and do subscribe to our channel.